Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix memory error 191367 in the modern warfare 2. I will show you 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. Our first and the most effective method is that you have to just restart your PC. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. Before moving to the second method, you have to just make sure that you have a stable connection of internet. So after doing so, you have to just open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once and search here for the percentage temp percentage and then press OK. And now you will find here such type of the interface. Basically you have to just select all of these folders by pressing Ctrl A, and now you have to just delete all of these folders. After doing so, this process may take a while, so you have to be patient. After completing this process, you have to just reboot your game, and this time your game will open smoothly. If this process not work for you, then you have to just move to the next method. And the next method is that you have to just update your game. After updating, your problem will be fixed. And the last and the final solution is that you have to just uninstall your game and again reinstall it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.